here I am. I'm going to be adding a better walkway through my front yard from our vehicles. Pretty simple. Just buy some circle paper stones, some white marble rock, some stone liners to line your walkway, and some weed proof liner that'll let the water through. Get all set up the way you want it. Dig out the ground a little bit, put it all down. I'll show you the aftermath once I'm done with the actual heavy work. Halfway point. Here we are at the halfway point. I've just got to go buy some more rock because I miscalculated. I ended up having to make the walkway just a little wider than I wanted. So I'm going to get some more rock for that. And I've got some grass seed I'm going to pull up where the stones were and put some new grass seed down and let that grow in nice and good. Decided to make it easier on myself. I bought some sod instead of deciding to till all that up and wait for the seed to come in itself. It was a little bit over $5 per patch, so it's not that much to save myself a decent amount of time. I also got some rubber mulch back there, and I'm going to line the stones with it over here. And I think that'll make it look a little nice and you work a little bit better. And here we go. I got my first cutout. Perfect shape. To the hole. Slides right in. Once it's in, you can't really tell the difference. I'm using the paver stones that I'm lining it with as a stencil to cut the hole perfect. There we go, finished. Got the black rubber mulch in place, red paper stones, the white shell marble, and the charcoal border stones. Now it's going to rain tonight, it's going to wash away all that dust, and it's going to look beautiful.